Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we have got a 64 plate BMW M5 in blue. This one has got the white interior, or grey, don't know what you want to call it, and which I love. Has only done 60,000 miles from new. Really well kept, really nice condition. Really doesn't look its age at all. Interior is really nice and clean. So starting off with the front end, you've got usual sort of stone chips. Bonnet's pretty good, actually, to be fair. Nothing really to report. Some of the trees, yeah. Actually really nice, very well kept. It's got the black kidney grills, which suit it quite well. Nothing major going on here. A little touching, tiny little touch needed down there. Alloys in not bad condition either. Slight little curb there, so we can get that resolved. It's on the 19s. These ride quite comfy. Sunroof as well. Tiny little mark there. Had its running in service as well at about 1,600 miles. A lot of car here for the money these days. I think these are a bit of a sleeper. Like, you wouldn't know, unless you knew, obviously this is the giveaway, but unless you really knew what you were looking at from the front, you're not going to really know. It's an M5, so perfect daily if you want to be a bit subtle. This one's got the carbon diffuser. I think that finishes it off. Looks really nice, actually. I really like that. Massive boot, as we know on these. Huge bit of space in there. Bit of a cleaning product. Someone making a racket, and it's not me this time, which is good. There's nothing really to write home about. It's actually really well cared. Little stone chip there, but the rest of it's actually in really good condition. It's only one alloy, I think, with a curb mark, so yeah, well kept car, this one. Let's have a look inside. Inside for me is where it's at on this. Love the light coloured interior with the dark carpet. I mean, that seat is immaculate. Like, that doesn't let anyone sat on that. Same with the back seats. Really well kept. Your rear climate there as well. And the driver's seat, super condition. Steering wheel as well. A cared for example, that's for sure. Right, we've got two keys which I've tucked down here. Start it for you. There's the mileage. There's your mileage. Just tick 60k as well. So you've got head-up display. It's in the photos, if you can just about make it out. There you go, and that's in M2 mode.
As it deals with the imagination. The imagination is something that is has perpetually interested.
Reverse camera as well. Oh, hello. That's got Apple Play.
And so on, and it's now the study.
Just saw Apple Play there. How do I get out there?
Subject of a great deal of scientific
Okay,
study.
that'll be in the description of the photos, but it looks like it's got Apple Play as well.
But I can review what the imagination
Give it a little blip for you. Sounds standard to me. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, there'll be a link below in the description, which will take you directly to the advert. Feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.